Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. It's been a minute since I've been here, but I'm trying some new crochet hair today. I got my braids freshly done today and I'm very excited to try these locks. Let's get started. The hair that I have is the Freetress Ghana locks in 20 inches. Here's what the pack looks like. And I got the color too. I got 3 packs of this hair. I do not think I'm gonna need 3 packs. I'm gonna open one up so we can take a look at these and I'll tell you how many are in each pack. So here's what the hair looks like. It has loose ends. They're not curly. It's more kind of crimped or wavy. Haven't tried many locks that were wavy or crimped on the ends. Most of them are curly, but it's worth giving a try, right? Now this hair was $9.99 per pack. My goal is to be able to install it, wear it for a couple of weeks, take it out, and be able to reuse this hair at a later time. And there are 12 pieces in one section, so that means 36 pieces per pack. You do the math on how many 3 packs is. I'll give you a second. That's 108 pieces in all. I doubt that I'm going to put 108 of these little pieces in my hair. I feel like that would be too heavy, but I'm likely going to use 2 1/3 pack. That's my estimate. Let me show you what the loop looks like. It's very small right now. You can barely see it, but I have a feeling that it's going to open up, and yep, it opens up pretty big. So I'll show you the install of maybe 1 or 2. You guys at this point should know how it goes. My latch hook under my braid. Now these are fresh braids, so I have to be careful because it is a little bit tight. Put the lock on, close the hook, pull it through, and then I can put my fingers through this hole, so that's great. I'll just grab the lock and pull it like that. It lays very flat. I can tighten it up a little bit more, and it's long. It's past my chest. It's 20 inches, so these are gonna fall pretty far down. Hey guys, I'm back and I have installed all the hair. It's actually been 3 days since I installed this hair. I kind of whipped it up in a little ponytail and I wrapped it up with locks. I didn't even use rubber band, but here's what it looks like down. The hair is very lightweight. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't feel too heavy. I can roll it up and fit it into a shower cap when I get in the shower. It looks really, really good. It actually feels really good too. I used 2 1/3 pack. I have a 1/3 pack left, and I could actually probably find a place in my hair for the rest of these pieces. Well, I plan to wear this hair for at least 2 weeks. I think maybe 3. I really like the way it feels, and it's a low tension hairstyle. I did try to unloop one of them earlier this morning so I can move it to a different spot. It unloops perfectly. I believe I'm just gonna go ahead and take the rest of what's in the 1/3 pack and put it in my hair because it's not bulky at all. Over the next few weeks, I will let you know if anything changes with this hair, but I'm in love. I feel like it is really pretty. I feel like the ends are just enough of a little zhuzh to make it more than just a lock. And Freetress does it again. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Conversations with Candace. And until next time, y'all have a good day.